At Dixon Specialty Products, our name says it all. Specialty products for specialty applications is what we are all about. Located in Chestertown, Maryland, our combined 103,000 square foot facilities specialize in manufacturing products with precision and reliability. Our product offerings include cam and groove fittings and accessories, GSM armored hose, King safety cables, loading arms, and swivel joints. Our welders, CNC machinists, and assembly personnel share a dedication to creating high-quality products built to last. Leveraging cutting-edge automation, we excel in delivering products to meet your unique needs. At Dixon Specialty Products, we are more than just manufacturers. We have a robust engineering staff experienced with helping spec in job site or facility. Backed by specialists in the steel mill and terminals market, we ensure you will always have the right connection. With 12 distribution centers across the U.S., our products are fully stocked and ready to ship to any location. We take pride in being the easiest company to do business with every day. So our customer service team is armed with a variety of resources to provide support and assistance. If there's something you need but it's not on the market, we may be able to make it. Let's work together to see what we can accomplish. When it has to be done right, it has to be Dixon.